In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an automated CRM with Notion and Paperform. We'll start in Paperform, where the form acts as your front door for new leads. Open Paperform and create a new form dedicated to capturing lead details. Add fields for a full name and an email address, and include any other basics you regularly need, such as company, role, or a short message. Use the email field type so invalid addresses are blocked, and label required fields clearly to keep the data clean. If you operate in regions with consent requirements, add a simple checkbox for permission to contact. Keep the form short and friendly so more people complete it. Next, switch to your Notion workspace and set up a leads database that mirrors those form fields. Create a new database and make the title property your lead name. Add an email property for the email address, plus any supporting properties like company, role, source, and a select property for lead status. It helps to add a created time property for automatic timestamps. Matching property types to your form fields now will make the integration smoother. If you'll track sources or stages, pre-create select options to keep entries consistent. Back in Paperform, open the Integrations or Connect panel and choose Notion. This is where the systems begin to talk to each other. Select the Notion option to start linking your form to your database. Connect your Notion account, then pick the correct workspace and authorize access. When prompted, select the leads database you just made. If you use multiple databases with similar names, double-check you're choosing the one intended for incoming submissions to avoid misroutes. Now map each Paperform field to the corresponding property in Notion. Pair the name field with the title property, the email field with the email property, and align any optional fields like company or source. Pay attention to property types. Text maps to text, email to email, selects to selects. If you included a consent checkbox, map it to a checkbox property so you can filter by permission later. For selects or multi-selects, match option names between tools, then save your configuration. Confirm the action is set to create a new page in the leads database for every form submission. That's it. Your form gathers lead information, and every submission automatically becomes a neatly structured entry in Notion. From here, you can build views for new, qualified, or contacted leads and keep everything organized in one place. It cuts down on manual entry and keeps your pipeline accurate.